So I read this great thing recently about the sound of birds and how for humans, when we hear the sound of birds, we realize that we are safe. That the chirping of the birds is kind of a little message that says it's safe now. And I love that. And being here in the woods, I have the sound of the brook in the background, and I also have the sound of the birds. So I wake up every morning at 5 o'clock, 5:15, and I get to hear that sound. That reminds me that the world is a safe and beautiful place. Good morning.